Congratulations on choosing a PE45 series product. You have purchased a product that has been designed and engineered for quality, reliability, and innovation. This video is a short introduction to your product to familiarize you with the basic features and safety. For a more detailed understanding, please refer to your instruction manual. Included in your box, you should have your PE45 series pump, hydraulic oil, a hand pendant, and instruction manual. Let's begin with safety. Noted are basic steps, but for your application, you may need additional training, some of which your power team professional can be of help. As with any product application, please read the operation and maintenance manual and apply it. Know how and where to apply the equipment properly. Some equipment ideally operates up to 60 to 80% of rated load, so make sure you have read your manual and understand the application. Pay attention to and follow the warning labels, tags, and other MSDS information that comes with the pump. If the product is brand new, once everything is hooked up and in place, test the product to make sure it appears to be working correctly and visually inspect the system again. First, let's begin by making sure your environment is safe and secure. Make sure you are properly equipped with safety clothing, gloves, eye protection, and so on. Visually inspect the product, fittings, hoses, and tool for leaks, wear, or damage. Ensure that your pump is filled with Power Team branded hydraulic oil. Simply loosen the screw cap and use a funnel to add oil. After filling the pump with the oil it needs, remove the funnel and simply tighten the cap. You can check the oil gauge on the pump to check the quality of the oil and the level. Your PE45 comes with a removable keyed remote hand pendant control. Attach the connector and screw on the retaining ring and your hand pendant is connected to your pump. Make sure that when you connect electrical power to the pump that it is of proper amperage and voltage. Make sure that your extension cord is also of the proper gauge. Next, connect your hoses. Make sure that the hoses you selected are appropriate for the application. Powering on your pump is simple. Press the green button and the pump will turn on. Press the red button to turn the pump off. Once the pump is on, your pendant has similar controls. The bottom half is to turn the pump on or off. The top half is used to activate the tool. To set the pressure, you'll need to use your pressure gauge. Make sure your hoses are connected. You can change the setting by turning the user adjustable pressure regulator knob. By turning it clockwise, you will increase the pressure. By turning it counterclockwise, you will decrease pressure. The PE45 also has a convenient cord wrap to store the remote hand pendant cable when not in use.